Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete image from gallery in Midjourney. So to delete image from the gallery in Midjourney, here's a simple guide on how to do that. So first have to do to find the image in Discord, then open the Discord server where you use the Midjourney bot, then locate the message containing the image you want to delete, then react with this cancel emoji right on your screen, and add the emoji as a reaction to the message, and this will delete the image from the Discord chat and your public gallery. And wait for sync, which will take about 15 to 20 minutes for deletion to sync with the Midjourney web app. And currently Midjourney does not support any deletion through the web app or during Discord. So Discord is the only way to remove image, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for like it. Thank you.